Hey, I see. How you doing? Good morning. I hope you have a nice day today. I just want to share a video with you. Everything's working really nice. The machine is working perfect. It's been doing, we've been working all day with it. And it just works perfect. Very nice. See, there it is. We're making these cups. Just working really nice. Very smooth, very quiet. No problems at all. We're really happy with the machine. Thank you so much for all the great work. We're finally working. This next one, we're gonna start working with it next month. So right now it's taking a break, but next month it's gonna start working, so we'll have both machines working then. But now we know how to use them. Perfect. Thank you. Bye-bye.